On Pickin, I have 3 days worth of sales on Posh. I didn't do as much sharing, but let's see what I earned in 3 days. All right, we're gonna see what all we sold on Posh and how many items. So my first item that I have here is an Adidas 2XL microfiber jacket. All the prices are going to be after my fees and after all of my shipping for Poshmark. So $8.25 is what I earned on that one. And so my actual earnings, I paid 50 cents at the Goodwill outlet for that. So $7.75 are my in-pocket profits on that one. Then the next item I have is, sorry, my phone is being a little sleepy today. Men's Richie flip-flop sandals right here. They are size 13, extra large. They sold for $3.05, and they were $2 out of a bulk liquidation box. So $1.05 are my earnings after fees and after shipping. The next item I have is a Fashion Bug purple lace line 42 Triple D underwire bra. I made $11 in earnings, and that was I bought that actually from a Savers thrift store for about $4. So $11 minus 4 is $7 of in-pocket profit. So not everything comes out of liquidation boxes. I still do some actual thrifting. Then the next thing I have is a bundle of 2 scrub pants, and I bundle things that I think can't make enough money on their own. And so a bundle of 2 scrub pants, I made $4.25 on that. Both of those came from the Goodwill outlet, which means they were 50 cents a piece. So $1 I have invested, so $3.25 is what I earned off of those pants. Then I've got a cool Minecraft backpack. $7.05 is what I earned off of that. $2 out of a liquidation box is what I paid, and so $5.05 are my in-pocket profits. Then the next item I have is a pair of Dockers 44 by 30 signature. These actually came from my own house, and so I didn't have to pay anything for that. So $4.25 is what I earned. So $4.25 is what I actually get to keep. Then the next item I have is a really cool mother of pearl olive wood cross. I paid 65 cents for this. $2.05 is what I earned. Now I'm gonna have to do fun math in my head. So 205 minus the 65. So $1.40 is what I earned on that. And then I've got these fun Despicable Me glasses that I bought for $1 from Walmart, and I made $1.05. So woo woo, I made 5 cents on those, but I've had them in there forever. Then I've got this fun set of bullets. This is a bullet flashlight, 50 caliber size. See, it's a really nice bright light, along with a 50 caliber mini one that's a USB charger for your car. See, so the set of those were I paid $2 for this one and $2 for this one, and I ended up making, let me look here, I believe it was, yeah, $4.25 on that. So I only earned 25 cents on those, but I have not been able to get those to sell. So if you want to check out my Poshmark store, you can go ahead and check those out. So the next thing I've got is a pair of really cute Massimo flip-flops. These sold for my earnings. Remember, I'm giving you all earnings numbers, not actual sold numbers. This is earnings after fees. So my earnings after fees on these flip-flops are $7.05. $2 out of a liquidation box is what I paid. So $5.05 are my earnings on those flip-flops. Then I got a really nice tie here. This I paid 25 cents at the Goodwill outlet. $2.25 is what I earned. And so $2 is my in-pocket profits on those earnings. And then the next item that I have is, oh, my phone decided to back out of the app. So then the next item I have is The next item I have is a motherhood maternity nursing bra. I earned $16 off of that. I bought that from the Savers for $4, and so $12 is my in-pocket profit on that one. Then after that, I've got a pair of size 8 Bandolino jeans, khaki capris. Those I got from the Goodwill outlet for 50 cents. $1.25 is all I earned on that. So 75 cents is my in-pocket profit on those. Then the next item I have is this really, really nice purse tote. It is a New Day satchel crossbody bag. It's a really big crossbody bag, but I ended up earning $7.05, paid $4 out of a liquidation box for that. So $3.05 are my earnings on that particular bag. Then I've got a Hot Shapers hot belt, size medium. I paid 50 cents for that right there, and $2.05 is what I earned. So $1.55 are my in-pocket profits for that one. Then I've got, of course, these silver mules, and I believe this is the last pair that I have. I might have another pair, I can't remember. But these I earned $7.05, got those for $2 out of a liquidation box, and so $5.05 is what I earned on that. And then I've got, this was my huge sale for these last 3 days. These are a pair of Adolfo nice dress shoes. They're gorgeous. They come with their own dust cover and all of that fun stuff with the original box and all of that. Adolfo Couture shoes. Those were $4 out of a liquidation box. I made $51.20. So I made $47.20 on one pair of shoes. Woo woo, that was a good one. So I was super excited about that. And so that was a big sale for me, for sure. All right, the next thing that I sold was a Minecraft backpack. That sold for $9.05. I paid $2 out of a liquidation box, so $7.05 is what I paid for that. And then the next one is also a Minecraft backpack. But I actually made $17.60 on that one. And so $2 minus 17 is 2 minus 17. I had a brain fart, sorry. 15.60. 15.60. Very good. All right. And then the next thing that I have for sale is just one of the straps that go around for the Hot Shapers belt. It's just the cincher strap. $3.05 is what I earned. 50 cents is all I paid for that. Well, actually 25 cents because it's just half of the set. So 25 cents, $3.05 minus 25 cents is $2.80 on that. Then I've got a pair of Wrangler 44 by 32 jeans. $9.05 is what I earned on that. Those actually came from my house, so I get to keep all of the profits. $9.05. And then I've got a pair of Spider-Man kids shoes. These were $2 out of a liquidation box. $7.05 is what I earned. And so $5.05 are my in-pocket profit. And then the last but not least is basically a baby doll lingerie set that's black and white. I earned $7.05 and I actually only paid $2 for that. So $5.05 as well. So this is not very many numbers on this board, but this number is my happy place. So I'm going to add up all the numbers and find out exactly what I earned. And then I'll tell you exactly how many orders that is for the 3 days worth of sales on Poshmark, with a little bit less sharing than I do on a regular basis. Okay, so I've added everything up and it comes to $144.30. Definitely this helped. The $47 of those one pair of shoes, 23 separate orders for 3 days worth of sales on Poshmark. I'm just trying to get back into the swing of things after being gone for a couple of days. But as you can see, there's no bundles in this set, and I love my bundles mainly because I get better profits from it, and then the customer also gets better profits because they combine a lot of the shipping. So if you want to buy from my store, make sure you bundle. If you're interested in anything in my Poshmark store, go ahead and check the link below. Hopefully it's been helpful to see what did I sell in April 2019 on Poshmark. 3 days worth of sales. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.